Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Create with Kayla. So today we're going to be doing this Dollar Tree modern planter pot. So I got my inspiration from the Urban Outfitters Area Wear Short Stacking Planter. It costs about $72 and this is my little cheap Dollar Tree DIY version of it. Alright, so what you're going to need is fluorofoam, foam board, spray paint, and a glue gun to do this. I know I showed paint in this picture, but I actually ended up using spray paint. Alright, so let's get started. What you're going to do first is I glued down all of the rings with some hot glue. So in order to keep them in line, I saw the line on the wreath, so I pushed it up against the wall and then I made sure I stuck each line aligned to each other. That way it will be all symmetric. Alright, when you're gluing these, you can glue as many rings as you would like. So I did 7 rings just to make it kind of a little bit tall in order to fit my snake plant inside of it. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a circle around one of the rings. I did this actually off camera, but you're going to see that with this ring that I drew, it's actually bigger than what you need. So just make sure you draw it big first, and then what we're going to do is cut it to size to fit the bottom of the planter. Here I am switching up to use the X-Acto knife only because it helps out a little bit more with being exact. Also, it's easier to cut the foam board with the X-Acto knife and you don't have all those extra pieces on the side. But when we get finished with this, it won't even matter. Alright, so here's where I'm cutting it to fit the size of the bottom of the planter. So it was a little bit too big, so you're just going to keep testing it out and cutting smaller and smaller strips in order to fit it to the bottom. That way you can't see it, but it still holds the entire plant inside of the pot. Alright, so once you have the perfect fit, what you're going to do is you're going to hot glue the outside of the foam piece, and then you're going to stick it on top of the bottom piece that you want around the planter, and then just press to make sure it stays and holds, which I think the glue sticks really hold really good with this. Alright, so next what you're going to do is you're just going to spray paint this whatever color you like. I chose Krylon chalkboard black, and you can also switch it up if you like white. I think that would be a cute color to do. And here's your final look. I just want to say thank you for choosing Create with Kayla, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new here, thank you, welcome, and I hope you enjoyed the video.